DAYO AMUSA's husband surfaces online amid naming ceremony photos, sparks viral buzz. Nollywood actress and singer DAYO AMUSA has sent fans into a frenzy after photos from a recent naming ceremony surfaced online, revealing a man believed to be her husband. The intimate event, held in Lagos a week ago, was attended by close friends and family, but it wasn't until the pictures went viral that the mystery man caught public attention. In the photos, DAYO AMUSA is seen glowing in traditional attire, standing beside the man at the center of the buzz. The duo appeared comfortable and affectionate, foiling speculations about their relationship status. While the man's identity remains undisclosed, sources close to the actress suggest that he may have been in her life for a while, choosing to stay away from the spotlight until now. Fans' reactions and social media frenzy. Social media erupted with mixed reactions. Many fans expressed excitement and happiness for the actress, while others were curious about the low-profile relationship. DAYO really kept this one under wraps. Wishing her happiness and love, a fan commented. "This is so beautiful. We need more pictures, please," another wrote. However, a few skeptics raised questions, wondering if the relationship might be part of a publicity stunt. Despite the speculations, the overwhelming tone has been celebratory. Insights from industry insiders. A close friend of DAYO AMUSA hinted that the couple had been planning to make their relationship public but wanted to do so at the right time. DAYO values her privacy, and this is a significant moment for her. She wanted to celebrate with those closest to her before sharing the joy with the world, the insider revealed. What's next? Neither DAYO AMUSA nor her representatives have made an official statement regarding the relationship. However, fans are hopeful that the actress will soon break her silence and perhaps share more about her personal life. For now, the actors